lang yan.
Asa Milo.
Oo,
Okay na.
nagsisimula.
Tubig. Na may-
Good afternoon, fellow men. We're back in the Cagayan National High School. We're back in the Cagayan National High School. As you can see, we're in the DOST, Department of Science and Technology.
Science.
So let's us interview some people here. Hey, excuse me.
Oh my God.
Don't be shy. What's your name?
I'm Carlos.
Carlos, yeah. Carlos
Bendia.
Oh, yan. What is your
Junior.
section? And why are you here?
I'm just you know,
Tambay.
sightseeing, yes,
Sa
tambay.
sightseeing. Ah, okay.
And I'm in 4th year, section 28, you know.
Kay Aaron.
28.
Yes.
How many sections are there in the Cagayan National High School?
Actually there
27?
are 27, yes.
Yeah, there are only 27 sections in Cagayan High, but you are section 28.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Carlos, for
Unique
that.
section.
Thank you, sir.
Unique
So
section, yeah.
let's interview some other people.
There.
Here, let's talk about what are they doing. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Miss. What are you doing? Why are you tingin-tingin there? What's your name, miss?
Marjorie, why?
Marjorie.